Hi friends, today we will practice most important questions on time and work topic given in TCS NQT. Question 1. Modi and Kamalesh can make 720 toilets in 20 days. Kamalesh and Rahul in 24 days. Rahul and Modi in 15 days. Modi works for 4 days. Kamalesh work for 8 days. Rahul work for 8 days. The total number of toilets made by them is. They have given 720 toilets in 20 days. So for one day 720 by 20. Kamalesh and Rahul in 24 days. For one day 720 by 24. Rahul and Modi 15 days. So 720 by 15 for one day. You calculate each thing for one day. See here, m plus k is 36, k plus r is 30, r plus m is 48. This is for one day. After that, you add all the LHS, all the RHS, then 2 into m plus k plus r equal to 114, m plus k plus r equal to 114 by 2. So you will get 114 by 2 if 3 are combinedly working. Now you see the question. Modi works for 4 days, Kamalesh work for 8 days, Rahul work for 8 days. So combinedly Modi, Kamalesh and Rahul will work only for 4 days. Remaining 4 days only Kamalesh and Rahul will work. So 3 combinedly doing for 4 days. So 114 by 2 into 4. After that remaining 4 days only Kamalesh and Rahul is working. Kamalesh and Rahul k plus r is 30. So 30 for 4 days, right? So into 4, that is 228 plus 120, that is 348 toilets. So option A is the correct answer. Now we'll see the second question. Hitesh and Worker completed work together in 5 days. Hitesh worked at twice his own speed and Worker yet half his own speed. It would have taken them 4 days to complete the job. How much time would it take for Hitesh alone to complete the job? Now in this question, they didn't give the total work. In the before question, they have given 720 toilets as the total work, but here nothing is given. So, for example, we are taking it as ice cream. You find the LCM of 5 and 4. Then you will get 20. We will take the total work as 20 ice creams. After that, they have given to complete that work, Hitesh and Worker took 5 days. So, H plus W. Actually, we will think it is 5, but 20 by 5 if we take, we will get for one day how much? We will find everything for one day. So 20 by 5, that is 4 ice creams for one day. In the second case, Hitesh worked at twice his own speed and Worker at half his own speed. So 2h plus W by 2 equal to how much time it took? 4 days. So 20 by 4, that is 5 ice creams for one day. After that, we should solve the equations. You multiply the second equation with 2 because we want to find only how much time would it take for Hitesh alone to complete the work. So we should eliminate the W. So you multiply the second equation with 2, then 4h plus W equal to 10, and you subtract the first equation from this equation. First equation is h plus w equal to 4. If you do the simplification, you will get 3h equal to 6, h equal to 2 ice creams for one day. But total work is 20 ice creams. 2 ice creams in one day, 20 ice creams in how many days? That is 10 days. So option C is the correct answer. Now we'll see the third question. The ratio of efficiency of A is to C is 5 is to 3. The ratio of number of days taken by B is to C is 2 is to 3. A takes 6 days less than C. When A and C completes the works individually, B and C started the work and left after 2 days. The number of days taken by A to finish the remaining work is. Efficiency is always inversely proportional to time. Time means number of days only. Efficiency ratio they have given 5 is to C, 5 is to 3 for A is to C. The time ratio will be 3 is to 5 for A is to C. For if we are taking A as 3y, then C will be 5y. They have given A takes 6 days less than C. So A plus 6 equal to C. Then you substitute A and C in this equation. A is 3y, C is 5y. Then 3y plus 6 equal to 5y. 2y equal to 6, y equal to 3. You substitute this y in the above. So you are getting A is 9 days, C is 15 days. They have already given the B is to C ratio as 2 is to 3. Here we got C is 15 days. For 3, how much? If you multiply, you will get 15 means into 5. So you multiply 2 also into 5, that is 10. So B is 10 days. A is 9 days, B is 10 days, C is 15 days. Here is the important trick you should remember. A worked by A alone work plus B worked by B alone work plus C worked by C alone work equal to 1. Here we got alone works 9, 10, 15 that you write in the denominators 9, 10, 15, and you see the question. When A and C completes the work individually, B and C started the work and left after 2 days. So B and C left after 2 days. So in the numerator of B and C you write 2, but for A we don't know, that only we should find. So you take it as X. After that, do LCM, you will get 90, and in the numerator you will get 10x plus 18 plus 12 equal to 1. After simplification you will get X equal to 6 days. So the number of days taken by A to finish the remaining work is how much? 6 days. So option B is the correct answer. Now we will see the fourth question. A can complete a piece of work in 8 hours, B can complete in 10 hours, and C in 12 hours. If A, B and C starts work together but A leaves after 2 hours, find the time taken by B and C to complete the remaining work. Again use the important trick. A actual work by A alone work plus B actual work by B alone work plus C actual work by C alone work equal to 1. A actual work later we will see. First alone works we will see. They have given the alone works 8, 10, 12. So you write in the denominators 8, 10, 12. After that, what they have given? A, B and C starts work together but A leaves after 2 hours. Means A worked only for 2 hours. B and C together worked how much time we don't know. That only we should find, right? So 30 plus here 2 by 8 plus B and C in the numerator you keep only the x. Then you simplify. The LCM is 120. So in the numerator 30 plus 12x plus 10x equal to 1. Then after simplification you are getting x equal to 45 by 11. They have given, they are asking only B and C complete the remaining work. A also there for 2 hours, right? That alone you subtract 45 by 11 minus 2, that is 45 minus 22 by 11, that is 23 by 11. That you write in the form of a mixed fraction by dividing with 11. So 2 plus 1 by 11. So option A is the correct answer. See fifth question. A and B together completed a certain work in 9 days. A worked at thrice his own speed and B half his own speed. It would have taken them 6 days to complete the job. How much time would it take for B alone to complete the job? I have given the options. Try it yourself and keep the answer in the comment section. I will verify it. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.